first, second.
Okay.
On the 6th, on the 11th, on the 17th.
Introduce for me both first, second, 6th, 11th, and 17th. Into ye January na ye 31 days now. So 5 days.
So 5 days, you know. You have 6. You move to the February.
Okay.
February, so 1st February, 2nd February, 16th, and 17th. A common prophet I don't know fancy about it. Me can ya mimu no kwa natural.
Odi for bosume na ye ka ho asem. So we fia ye wo double sum.
Ye wo double sum ba busumi
balance asem na making.
Busumi bia wo ni negative days te wo. Do ya baba wa wisisu a men kwaji obi do so nche obi pan obi andawe obi brazier obi antare nche say we koyi we the party. Say bad luck wo nipa no ho a bad luck so esan. Na so nipa no nam apam bi mu apam betumi aba wo so.
Okay.
Nti abrabo na ye wonyama me e se nipa hye no so. Na wo de bia ni mu ade ye. Bia we di ye bia ye na de keke. O pasti di. Se date a me bo hyi wo do bi wo hwem bia ntwo wo. Na steady wo wo bobra. Wo ko ni mu abrabo ma ye ti wo di akese no. So obi any company bia na aya se be fall into this date here. Se date here me bo hyi. O pa pemu bi na edu wa fe bo obi dua. February me kire wade a wo ya sunsun fan ntem.
Okay.
We are so for motion mo mfa. Say obi atuni obi abonu dua na wo dane a ye wo se date bi na hwade. Nye de bia na ma kwanche.
Abusiamu akwaba ediaba too much GA so you see afufufum your first spiritual program ya ye eni enuti aye nyame peye ni prophet Adonai ena eti dwumadi no anomese se abra dwumadi ekoso no do comment ebe fa ase ho abai bejebre na yakenkan ede ama you see afufufum sa na eya na dodo na ena wo madwunu mu ayo mo kesen se you see afufufum kra edien ena da nanim daben ena eda pa daben so ena eda boni breben ena wo se otimi to na mo opese otuni nyina ene asebisa ena yesa prophet Adonai ye babidi enu ntika no ho na emodi fu akwaba too much GS message abai ko na kwaba yi obemi subscribe button so ya na the bell na ka ho se de be na upload ni to mpo na first person ya phone be won kind wetin no se na ensem no ni nyina esiti odifo enwa akwaba
ni je so mami
afefufu mu so ne yesi na afehia pa bi
afi kona afi papa embeti anwadi mu sani afi abeti anwadi mu.
Amen. Odifo se ye hye ya afefufu mu sana eya na abofo a eye afini mu adwuma no ye manfo na ewo ya na ya adwan ye kesere na ye hu ebi kire se 1st January kra eye dabone ewo se ye pie ebi kire se dabi wo mu a obetimi ye pie na onye bi wo se wo ye ni ade ensem na kwakwa ye bebre fa ye fiase 1st January afimu ni nyina say na nime abofo eye adwuma na ma pa na wo ni tsen ne ma bone ne tse edan no say na ti
wa me da si ti ahwefo a wo mo hwe ensambre
ahwefo je so
me mpa ibone so obo ade yankopon ye obi bia akoma so bisade ma na nche ne di elu afi bia ye besim no from January to December no ye wo good days and I say days a ewo ma nka ye di tu anamo any day bi wo a utu a titine mpenifo ka say e de bi ye dabone nti e se hu say obusumi a ye wrem dabone e wo mni da pa e wo mni nti no o mi wo enye de bia mpo na ye ma akwankere nti se nka edifo on bebre ni man ko say ye wo de bi wo edu a wo de ma akwankere na de manipa na wanya na tumi obeba befa akwankere no na amwa obana what they say direction amana. My starting fit January you will date and that days you want. I will say nipe bia una masasu so wudi akona ba bia. Who say this ya the trotto
January no.
Your baby to say 1st January we are seeing your holiday now. I represent it to me. It's na every day now. Obia was so ju ahom na ahom ni kuma. Nti a day of say ahom da.
Ye 1st
January. Ye fem bi adwuma. Ye fem tu kwan. Ye fem ware. Ye fem entu badin. Ye fem bo abrabo a wo expect say oh wo ye bibia da achia din sunsuanso bi bebre we be hye ebe ye kese a anaso obi ko ni you dey to say 2nd January spiritually enka eduwa o sen en fan ye bibia activity bia nia eduwa o de be ye ni ye wo mpaibo any wo spiritual life person who win and as person sorry
okay
ye de fra
2nd January no
1st 2nd
okay
on the 6th on the 11th on the 17th
into for me both 1st 2nd 6th 11th and 17th into ye January na ye 31 days na so 5 days
that 5 days no ye fa have sex nipa bebre a o se wa wo baby na sabi o ni ba ne yarefo ni ba ne yi wo mun check days o se dakope ene oba ne be ma mu hia e de nyimba obetumi ne oba hia be ya afe de bia be kono but no nyim one day dakope wom no o de nyim nti se for ne say days date ya ya boboyi ebi o ha day se day ni bi na ho ne o partner share ya na wanyem wanyam mo na sabi akola ne yarefo anasa akola no ena mu kan nsuo ba na say nipa nse se date nso Bible say kan ho meda na di ni konkron nti edu day bi wo wa say day we die wo nim kura na say na difo bi aka kire
1st January nso no difo beach ahodo su
aya result aye fu ba na bi ye den the same and the body and couple of them for any other one, made it to do. Obia and the ocean prophet alone will be ocean. The part of to work now if in every way. Yes, sharp for us, you know. Short date, ya will go. Now, there, BBC are to date no back, that's shabby. You move to the February.
Okay.
February, 1st February, 2nd February. 16th and 17th.
1st, 2nd, 15th,
16th
and
17th. Me, a coming prophet, I don't know if I fancy about it. Me, can you mean no quite natural?
Would you for Bosumi na yaka wasem? So, if you are double sum,
you are double sum, but a Bushumi
balance that making
Bushumi Bia. The negative days they won.
Okay.
Into the negative days in a bit wa. Nindium now until baby a shuffle ya say would differ any say moon. Yes, is when can none of an quid for never in your binka. Inti me Yame before the message in Abraham said, Min deliver my yamema. Inti me say me bo or na yashi. Na abrabona ye bonu ne yemfo ye ni hu do hye ne bi ye ni.
Okay.
Na abrabona wan ti ase abebo brasa hwe. Ye oni pa o ma bo bre di. Wo mo du pempen so bi wa brabo mu a. So wo mo bebre nim date ya ye secret na ye hidden. Wo na wo nim edu wa otu kwan ko ba sesa ne ticket. Okobie adwuma a ye we di fo ni bi wo mo nim ti okoto body na command data. Nti na okoto body ana akware a aside say we wiem bibia no data on partner no be fix no ko fakoma o spiritual father no hwe say for nti nipa bebre ho a wo mu de wo date ko ma wo mu di fo bi wo so for kase dabi date we de amwa wo mfa nkwa nipa bebre wo mo hwe mbedi adanse
na le say aware kura egu no e fa na ye date wo mu de aware
abra ye bona bibia ko ye beye bi ye busum bi ye ma me wota bi agye no nyam na wo de akohye po ase na nsem akese ye ka kire ngofo bebre your personal life yama bi a won ni mo me practice so se bushum bi obi fie bushum na agi nipa nanum nyama ma me nkire wadi
okay
aboshum ne ahono ma ye na nan ko gigi ba fi won ko gi ba for a reason ebi obushia na wo wo a na obushia na mu nipa ni mu ebi obushia bi won na won ebi obushia bi won mu nyi nche ebi obushia bi na sikasem ho ya problem o nti senya mani nia ka ho bi na ye na nanom no hwe so mu tututu na ko fefa honhom ni ade be fi okay it is sa nipa ade na ko fa fi akofa ade be represent is e bank nemu a ye watchman na ebusuan
okay
se sunsun woni bia ana obi kuta bo onboni bia or the kuti bushana. Say watchman, spiritual watchman on Kofa and Baye. Only the answer or the cool army bushana says, say 2 million mushon, obey Shiano man, you obey debate busham nipan and yejuma. Well, what this idea and buy no money, woman. More about the and amambre ni amandie nti ate se wakofa watchman na untua neka ejuan se okobeja na okopedwa for Friday police for soldier for no we owo mu na hwe na beye bosom beye na nu misia ni pemba obeja na wape baby for afa ejuma bi obi afa wo mbia na untua neka na hwe na mbo na oye juan for jai ko sa na bosom na ye na nam kofa ba fie wo mu di wo mjuma so na kofa atumi bi be buhie no na no no we na mamre ma no edu wo mu ni wo metuko wo mewuko aka wo mu go obi afi wo sunsun ni ntimo senya ma na akọ wo mu de me ma wo no akọ ese okuta phone a wan fa credit ngu so e connect to them bad wo mu ntim sunsun bia na me mfra me ndi so obi ble mu fi ebo shomsha na oye wa ma no nye bisa no hwem ade yi
okay
obi obe kom na 2 minutes oye no oha na we bushua no se bushua no mu ni pen ware no go for 2 minutes ba 2 minutes be ye ban ba me bushua no na fi be ma bia ho oba na ni kan ho no ware na na sisi 2 minutes mo nya na pede ma no na wa step aside nti 2 minutes a hyese na edi bushua ni na we nya pa hand sisi
no wa sign ba be ye na juma
kwaya da mo
nti enye ne mo ko fa na ba ye no okay this is the one that dan wa kan ho bi
isa no we ba no be kan ahye nti ontumi nya kwa operate na sisi anya mo ko fa na mo ntua ne ka mo ma na bian mo fi no nti oto ada no be ja mo wako oja mo wako a ni ono okutia mo be sa asoro mo hwa ye ne na oye nti je mo nyama bebre wo nipa bra bo mo a se nipa pay attention no mo nye adi odihunufo a obe kire mo akọ nka abrabo nye blame game susumduma ye enye blame game me ye bisa me ready forecast me hwe wo shebre se yare bi na edumnya me ye bisa yare na chi so obi na wabo obi na watu obi na wadi wakoja ana obi na opri bibi hu anwoni ba me nka enjoy so bi yo I need to take it from me. One thing is say won onyanko nam na your best friend na your best friend na odidi wase na the moment I mebo didi a try yanko fa ne mo ye ne den enye se ne na motene da but the best way ni say e dey na ye be na tumi ya order ka wo hyem wo be di ne sunko ntu ya baba wa wosisu a menko ji obi do so nche obi pan obi underwear obi brazier obi antare se odi ko yi the party say bad rock wo nipa no ho bad rock so esan na se nipa ni na apam bi mo apam betumi aba wo so
okay
nti abrabo na ye wonyama mi e wo se nipa hye ne so na wo de bia ni mu ade ye match so bad days e wo me first match 3rd 12th 13th 15th match
okay
date we duwa na wo do ware ya se wo ko ware a e be ya twiko anim
no ye match de
no
ye ware wu
ye mbie dwuma
awo sa days
no edwuma kwa de a ye di bie dwuma kura no nka wo pese obi edwuma na wo dwuma no wo spiritual for obe ma obe kire mo direction edwuma ne begina nka Thursdays na di bie dwuma Thursdays di bie dwuma ko Thursdays no wo mo ko present sika nti ko pese edwuma na wo sika sem koya ba ye wo hushu dwuma obe ya bofu wo hwe Thursdays so obe gina edwuma ne tiama
odi for me bana free what so o kire se Thursdays di nka ye da pa di bie dwuma okay afi 1st January Thursday but also just a first ya honhum
ya fam yedu
enti no eye Thursday na da pa na ye fam yedwuma say na no bi si akon
ade ni e won negative and e positive side
okay
nti me ne metu fo no hye du ho a me fo dwuma me bi
although say eye da pa nka wo de bi e beboa no ye wo sa akoto 1st January nti
MBA
okay
say spiritual father bi no ye dwuma ma wa onim de we obabia ma
okay
but I say what if prophet Adonai no hold on koya obenya problem because should may take in charge no name and I feel spiritual normal na number 1 and we wiane na ebewu afufu aye wem nti ye wo days na e fall into that day no na wonni mu adwuma ye men try
okay
April so ye 1st April 3rd April 15th April and 17th April and 4 days
okay
and ya honhum da ewu nti ade bia ye negative side na ye positive side nti never fall into no spiritual father no na wo say obetumi aye ho adwuma aboa
okay
yen come May so ye 1st May 3rd May 15th 17th and 30th May
and also days we do
I know you very
5 days
men fa wa ware date nkoshe ho men fa obadi nto nkoshe ho men fa nkobie wedwuma without any spiritual direction
okay
and yen ko June 1st June 7th and 10th
Ndonya 3 days.
Oh yeah, 3 days.
Okay.
July is 3 days. And also your 1st, 5th, and 7th.
Okay. July is 3
days.
Okay.
Until you month be a new days a stress hard.
Okay.
Until you a DB oh, if it's a BBA normal, BBA normal. Ubedi normal, and it's enough if you have a no bomb. This is a baby so pa. Wouldn't say that you can fall into this date here. Catch us on the uncle now for bomb pie.
Ah, okay.
Men to that day.
Also, I can say baby.
Happy. The guys are bomb pie. No more about 3 days. And I did you cry now, position away. The member be myself pende on found Kodande. You might be bringing a nipper and Uncle say far for a family. But woman, we are, woman, say, this is a blame baby. You bring me bushumbi. Be ye bushmo. But so what duties they will show perform and I say pray. And what brabo. Into young August. August we have 1st August 3rd, 15th, 17th, and 20th August.
Okay.
These are
1st, 3rd, 15th, 17th, and
20th. And it's 5 days.
Okay.
Into be soon here on the days.
Yeah.
Until you say days na a babwa. I'm more brabo on which you are from you. Be with the beer in a deck. Master D. Say date ya maybe she would be or should be untrue. Next day, one walk bobra. No walk call ni bravo my 2 dear Cassia. So be in the company be I have said that fall into this date here. Just will be only. Will be only say one also when you gin and it's here.
A bonnet company.
Will be only a mere condition the same wapam. Will be one a tight, not your quapam. You will quite fast the tight quapam when you mean.
Okay. And I can call
you. Tight now, but some say, we into to shoot you if you would get direction. Your home direction is blue. I can't now come walk with nice only a mere cantam. We just say, may say, Hanani, me.
Okay.
And I'll call you for you say, or the or ye, you may be say, Jumano, the Sanya bar. Men train can't and train so. The trainer say about Kakrana who say, I start air pijana fast dako. Konya me pass and papa. The Bible she is son, a quarter food love yare, Baba Copper Bedasi. Yes, besides and in Kona canoe. And then his young say, oh, I said that dear whom I said that one year.
Okay, September.
September, so 1st September, 12th, 15th, 18th September, and 30th September.
So no sooner 5
days.
Okay.
The Nippebian show. October 15th and 17th October. October, yet the Ponga America for one day celebrating Halloween. It ain't in America for celebrating Halloween. Yes, sir. I say, we have a full pound with some Obian checking the phone. So Halloween. I do day night, then a woman yet.
Okay.
What was one celebrating woman sisters?
Skeleton,
and so young crummy, we are soft one po. Now, both were done ready to be fought one sham no one sort of Macoma years mount, and I am a mount. Oh, yeah, the design see what shall probably to say Bible say, won't be on first title, see now story, and Opa America, once was celebrating. I will months and for that. You almost starting this skeleton, me, Maxes are war. Yeah, you could condemn say evil. I will follow one would decorate on fee. A bishop says the marks who nip one much says to be. Was it winning in Bibi or catch wrong? One country, or that. One country.
Okay.
It is the time, I will say Africa, awake. And you have to know what you have and fight for what is yours. You move call November. November so could have 1st November, 7 November, 11 November.
Okay. And also you have 3 days.
And this is 3. Na December so kuta 1st December, 7 December, 11 December.
I say November and December you know the same dates.
But you month we October, September, October, November, December. This 4 months. You do your room. And why I should you have
yourself was in your do baba na sana.
And why I should you?
I say why odifo wo ka say a face spiritual number no eye 1. Nam bosumi ya woke kan ye bad days ne wo ni nyina so no. First na it me bisa say what is it with number 1?
Number one day a new beginning.
Okay.
About the positive side, but the spiritual side no one is now my idea negative and positive. It's all starting. Bibi, which you say on the first man, you know, on the second I know it's in called moving to your castle. Okay, you're moving to days. You would be on the spiritual number. They be on the spiritual number. Into you crowd do now, you would be a own spiritual number. Would you for fire? No, they be on the buff on the day beyond the color. Into we say you want your baby one nipa lucky wabraboma edi nipenya
and na can be say near woke king day number color any idea no when him one man nipa enka say nipa de omo to be so instead of some be adwuma den no oh there be so for say day we kura de mama mpie so for say day we de me fa anya adwuma na omo a rely on nsam na di for mo kan instead of some be kwakọ be adwuma no maye no
me can say men pay you.
Okay.
Bible say kai hu me da no na di ni konkron.
Okay.
Me kire o days a eye ahu be da wo bushum. A edu wo be hu de wo be kan won nsam. Say the date ya me bo so yi. Wo pa pemu bi na edu wo fa bo obi dua. Me kire wa direction na wo dey me kire wa de a wo ya sunsun fan ntem.
Okay.
We are so for mo hwe me mo mfa. Upa so obi no more how be obi bre wa shitinim say date ya me bo from January to December na o ti won bia no wo de wan tie sambo video ni bio na hwe na chro so wo bi the direction bi ba ho say obi atu ni obi abonu bia na wo dane a ye wo say date bi na hwade ye de bia na ma kwankyere I was a kwankyere be man so 21 days I was say one day before it was a date you and a bit to reverse your mouth. I hope don't pretty that time.
Okay.
You would be an color, you would be an 2 years. You will never is the time as in your member.
Okay.
31st night, Nipadom face here, yeah, 12 hour knock out Paul Kai.
And so therefore say you when you na crank at the first and pie baby ni crank who ya
ye be wura fi mu a nkwan ya be fa so a wo nu nya me betin tam na be kwa ba.
Okay,
and you give and take sana nya me shomti so on ya bo wo so bo wasase ye wura fufuro afi we say na emi ni so ade mu se afi say be ko ewi akodu na me ni so ade mu ni ya me do atu oni nya shushu shonso a apama me no pon say me say ahyewdi enu period
odi for ye bre no kwati aye panti no we so de krobi di o se kaje bi ye be kaje bi afi ni ahya afi na senti no ye be bo so kakaka ye ni nyina mo musa no masisi ye
ma me nchire wa de bi wo day bi ane ne spiritual no.
Okay,
so we are Sunday born o spiritual number number 1 is that number what the number is number 1
Sunday born number 1.
Okay, we are Monday born we are no spiritual number number 2.
Okay,
we are Tuesday born o spiritual number number 9.
Okay,
we are Wednesday born o spiritual number number 5. We are Thursday o spiritual number number 3.
Okay,
we are Friday o spiritual number number 6. We are Saturday born o spiritual number 8. What do you be aware? I say would this say no mercy be ye juma.
And on what the edge my quine bears because I am number 1, you know, ebia or kwa juma wasora no pa number 1 or better de aye juma number 2 no better de aye juma
ebini mobile money pin
okay
try say so obefa 4 digit na ma 1 mbiri
okay
say oye Monday ma 2 mbiri
okay
sa nti bo say da no ma no eye juma e kan wa brabo oye bibia mpaibo bi na wo ba do baby a make sure so de bedu na ma 9 do baby a so oye Wednesday make sure so be call number 5 no eni nyem ngina so
okay
uchusu numbers e wo adwumam e wo baby a make sure so spiritual normal ne bebem it is all core na wa select colors a uni dey born na color enya effect to our na so nti we Sunday born now the ware na wa decorate wo aso dey mo ni white a we feel nti 31st na to be a white but 31st na dey na see won nsem no dey no color nya white and what 31st na be see wo dash na dey na wo ye cause wo na wo di nipa na fa osu ewura afufufuru me dey na wo ye okura na onim nti obe nti yebe wura fu ma nipa ehia akwanhia nipa ehia ota nipa ehia amania yare ahoro be hwe nipa so no afina yebe wura pedifo bi no ye bisa wo muma na usa afi we yare bi ba be aka wato akopem sa afi ni be ko na wiye
okay yo odifo se nem di kan se ye bre no kwatia yinti we ne be ne kejebi na ne mi bisa de atwa to ne se days ya yakeka spiritual numbers ya yakeka no ni nyina no ze ena no eye 7 eda bia ne da dwoda kwesi da bena da wukoda bosume no so ye to ni nyina no emumu ne ye we na afe no owo so control ze afe we de eya afe pama de ma wo mo a wo mo da bi sei ana bosume bi sei ana ebi ni hosa
ebi wo papa yo dates month ayewu eni year afe favor but we ni ano se we na we hu de wa betutu anamo a listen nipa bebre wo a be ye bi se be hwe na chinu no no se nka wo bi na o show muntem ma o peja ya ka ukọ obi o be ye bi se be hwe ni sebrem o ye nipa so o hwe nipa pim o jina bia so na so enfi ya me association for na convince na mo se ne okay bi an until we start with days.
Okay.
Time is the bomb by an.
Okay.
Days the colors. Sunday born or color you good. Monday born or color you white. Until but nipa bebre no yi. Monday no they are come Sunday. It one atotom.
So Sunday ni mo munya white.
Yeah, good.
Monday
ni Sunday boys are in a one more year. Party wedding bibi a omo ye decoration e wa ma gold color bi oni mi po ba color enya nsusu so ya bra boso nti se wonni ma obesida aye na onyam senya mani ni akeka ya bra bon se wo ye Wednesday born wo de ni ye green and na yellow
okay
nti e wo se wo fus wo ye djuma me prophet adona mimi ni dey aye wo minimu adi na
nti wo de wo ni kura no wo color
dey wo adi ye dey no ye dey born bi o ndi preku obi ndi dwan obi ndi kraman obi ndi aponche dey born bia wo ne kra na chiwade na ye obushum bia so ne naboa
odi for we dey ye
wo se anya mani ni aro se we hu e wo bra boma wo bebre mi boso wo bebre mi be ye we enso still na wo bre
na wa na wo do we dey
edifo ni bia ye bisa mo wo mu se nyam enko wo ba ya kwankyira ya wo mabre yare ba ko e be hwe no wa we cardio ena we separate wo ni mo bia bp pressure ekuna bidi ni prophet ado no mbra entuntia
okay
we stomach or saibati so de na ya osa 1 and osa 2 wo de bra entuntia ayare sebeba we me friend 4 in 1 herbal tea naturally a protective brain no wakoma no unye be no ma unkonya pressure unkonya akoma yare oliver unso no unkodi aduane bi say food poison ni ade na ye poison crop unnecessary party wo mo ko party ase aduane wo mo ko no you be akoma so bi sade ma no nche ne die no
amen odi for ye dance pa busia aha ena emnya ebrema akwan me de enkomo twetwe ni nyina esi ye ne prophet Adonai ena edi enkomo no mesra se obegya comment comment section ho edi amame all the social media handles no too much gh go subscribe like na wa share na for so enye bi ahwe dark gold enemy din ye be sen share